It all starts here, in these massive silos. The flour is automatically transported through this network of
The journey starts with these massive industrial mixers, capable of handling thousands of pounds of dough at once. Automated probes precisely measure the elasticity of the dough sheet, ensuring perfect consistency every time.
This is where the magic begins. Our state-of-the-art system ensures that every single dough portion meets.
The rise on tray 12 seems slightly uneven.
Noted. I'm logging the temperature differential now.
The dough is expertly hand-stretched using gravity, a technique that ensures the perfect crust texture every time. To achieve the ideal base, our pizza makers spin the fresh dough, stretching it thin and fast.
Once the dough hits the prep station, it's expertly stretched. The focus here is on achieving that perfect, uniform shape every time.
Once the dough is sauced, it's time for the most important ingredient, a heaping handful of our fresh mozzarella.
Once the cheese is down, we move quickly to the toppings. Freshly prepared green peppers, red onions, olives, and mushrooms are
Inside the high-temperature oven, the pizza travels along the conveyor belt, ensuring a perfectly melted and crispy finish.
straight from the oven into our specially designed box, then sealed for safety and freshness. And just like that, the order is ready for collection.
This screen allows us to monitor the exact temperature inside the truck, ensuring the cold chain is never broken.
Here is your large pepperoni. Enjoy.
Smells great, thanks.
The journey begins. Once the order is confirmed, our riders are immediately dispatched, ensuring speed and reliability.
Hello, your Domino's order has arrived.
Here's your order. Enjoy your dinner.
Oh, fantastic. Thank you so much. Here's your order. Enjoy the pizza.
Perfect, thank you. Got the confirmation right here.
The central thing is 1,000 calories.
Once loaded, the doors are sealed tight, locking in the freshness for the journey ahead. From this central hub, we monitor every truck in the fleet, ensuring optimal temperature and timely arrival at the stores. From the moment the dough leaves the factory, we track its temperature and location in real time.
Route 4. Temperature is stable. You are clear for the drop-off at 1400. Confirm receipt immediately.
Okay, this pallet goes to the back. Make sure the high priority boxes are accessible first. Got it.
Dispatch to driver 4B. You are showing a delay. Confirm status and advise if refrigeration is stable.
The refrigerated dough is quickly transferred to the store's walk-in cooler, maintaining the cold chain until it's ready for use. This meticulous labeling process guarantees that older dough is used first, minimizing waste across the supply chain.
Transported in temperature-controlled trucks, these dough balls arrive daily, ensuring peak freshness as they begin their journey to become a Domino's pizza.
After arriving from the regional hubs, the fresh dough is carefully transferred to the stretching table, beginning its final transformation.
In the central dough factory, precise conditions allow the dough to proof quickly, as shown in this time-lapse. As the dough speeds into the spiral chiller, the temperature is rapidly brought down to a precise 4 degrees Celsius.